Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how you can enable backup codes on Roblox. So step number one is to head over to Roblox. You then want to click on more in the bottom right hand corner, scroll down, select settings, and then from here you want to click on security. Now from here you need to select the authenticator app, email, or hardware security keys. Now you can use one of these three options. You can choose the one which is the best for you. For example, if I choose email, I will toggle this on here, and then you need to enter in this code. So 338577, and now what we need to do is select verify. Once we click on verify, you can then go down to backup codes, click on generate. Once you click on generate code, you will then be able to copy all of these codes here, and then you can paste them and keep them safe. Click on I've saved my backup codes, and then select close. So as you can see, you have now got 10 unused backup codes. And this means if you ever need the backup codes, you have got these saved and you have got these written down if you ever need them in the future.